45k.
Wow.
That's a juicy opener.
Now you gotta die, because then that when you die, that your parse counts. Apparently.
46.5 is my record.
But for an opener before or after Ironfall?
Yeah.
But is it juicy though?
Yeah, sounds about right. 46, maybe 48.
In position for jet. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, sorry, Bull was actually being retarded.
It got iron.
It got tagged, I think. It's burning at least.
Got that interrupt.
I'll get red in a second.
Dead already? Oh shit. Carving.
Carving.
Drive by carb.
Side by carb.
Yeah.
Flower.
Can't click, can't click.
I couldn't click either.
Yeah.
You dropped my stack.
Rip.
Red
Stunning to side.
In position.
Carving here. Carving.
Stunning.
Jetting.
Jet.
Next stun. Almost dead.
Jet.
Go.
Add.
Stunning.
Popping flower.
I got bolt. Flower. Yeah.
Bring it far away.
Holy shit, I barely got that battle buff.
Yeah.
Really?
Add. I got stunned.
You gonna try to hit the bolt or not?
No. It's already been hit. I'm not gonna hit it
Okay,
again.
then we need to kill it.
Fine.
One more add behind us.
Stunning.
What the?
No, it runs. Oh, if you don't touch it, it runs.
Let's go. Next bolt coming up.
We gotta add this coming in, so we're gonna have 3 here.
Add.
I got bolt. Let me know when you're
Jet
jetting.
soon. It's gonna be very soon.
I don't have stun. I'm carving actually.
Carving.
Should be jetted.
Carving.
Flowers clicked.
I need to get flower. Okay, I got it. Kill bolt.
Am I second stun? I don't.
Yes, you are.
Okay. For some reason, I was just blanking on it every damn time. It wasn't the same as last week, so I wasn't sure.
Chrono about to fall off.
24 stacks guns. Just 26.
Can we click? I'm already at 4.
Click it. I got bolt. I'm gonna stun bolt. Okay,
Dead.
that works too.
These. Where are you now?
Taking on next jet or not?
I'll handle red from here on out.
Okay.
Because I'm a low stack.
Jet.
Buff running out soon.
Go click the flower,
I'm going
please.
to click fly right now. And I'm waiting for bull. Just go hold bull, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, just hold it off to the side.
Oh, don't knock me off.
Oh,
Goodbye.
Tonic.
Oh, I was against the wall, man. I don't know. Kinda angry.
Watch out.
care for Jet, it's coming.
Yeah, I know.
Just focus red, ignore bull.
Watch for jet. Go bull. Me as well.
Is that DC?
Yep.
Down.
Wow, what's going on? They're completely DC.
Care.
Watch out. Watch out. For the red. I was trying to get as far over here as I could.
Time. Are we on time?
Keep.
Fuck.
800.
Enrage.
Keep Factory up.
You guys gotta just kill it.
Oh, fuck.
Keep the arrow
Just
up.
kill it. Just kill it.
All your DCDs, everything.
Kill it. Kill it. Kill it.
80.
80k.
Barrier if you have to.
40K.
Barrier.
10.
Yeah.
Yeah!
They were responding
Yeah.
Congrats, guys.
Goddamn.
Yo, where's my parts?
Tragic.
Fuck.
G
Holding 23.
Prime. Yo, can someone put G Prime